Hi everyone, hope you're all doing well. In today's video we're going to be looking how to get into service mode on this Logik L712WM20. This should work for the vestel logics of this range, the 8 kilo and the 9 kilo, and I believe there's a 10 kilo model that they did. This should work for other vestel models I believe, but I'm not entirely sure, so I mean you can try it if you want, try AM Risk, but I'm going to show you how to do it on this particular model of vestel logic. So what you want to do is hold the 10 button down and then turn it to contins 90, and then it will automatically start and lock the door. And that's that. It's gone through to end, and then to get out of service mode you turn it off, and then you can go back to washing. I hope you found this video helpful if you're looking now to get into service mode on a vestel or this particular vestel logic. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.